Alright, hi guys, my name is Lydia and today I want to talk about how to identify scammers on Alibaba. If you haven't checked out my post on Instagram on my highlights, please do. I'll leave the link to my Instagram below. The first way of recognizing if one is a scammer is if he insists on payment via PayPal or Western Union. If a vendor insists that you pay via PayPal or Western Union or any other form of payment like Cash App, please just cancel them. Once you've identified a store that you want to purchase from, please go to their website, check the reviews about them, and then also on the Alibaba website, on the Alibaba app, there's a place that there are reviews from other clients or people who have associated with that store. Check out the reviews about that store and then decide if that is a vendor you want to work with. Yeah, so you have to be very, very careful before you give them a message or before you commit into purchasing from them. Please confirm the reviews about that vendor from other people. Check if they have a website, and then you have to look for their website outside of Alibaba. Like when you click on the store, it will take you to the website for that store. Yeah, always go for vendors with the gold badge. Those are vendors who are verified. And then like, you know, Alibaba has a system where they go, they what do? They have a system where they do a check on the vendors before they put them on that site, but then that process is paid for. So sometimes when they check, they're not able to identify a scammer, so a scammer will still pay to be there because they know the money they're going to get out of that is more than the amount of money they're paying to be verified. So that alone is not a standalone point. You have to look at other points too, and then also look at the number of years a vendor has been in operation. I normally prefer to use vendors who have been in operation for more than 5 years. Yeah, that is before 2015. Yeah, because in the recent years Alibaba has been in so much use, so there are scammers who have come up with loopholes and how to fill them up. So look at the price of the products. Look at the price. If the price is too good to be true, then it's definitely something off. And then if the price is so high, it means that's a reseller. That is someone who's buying off of Alibaba and reposting it. Mostly they're drop shippers or drop services, so you have to avoid those if you want to get a good deal. Yeah, if a vendor has fulfilled so many orders, it means they're efficient, or other buyers have found them good enough to work with. So then again, you need to look at all these factors together. Don't single out like a single factor. People do so many things to like just get credibility, so look at all these factors together, and then if something doesn't feel right, it means something is off. Obviously, don't work with such a buy. Also, another thing you need to take into consideration is that if a vendor is unresponsive, like if you send them a message and then they don't reply, or they take a long time before they reply, there's something off. Or even if they're not scammers, then that's not a vendor you want to work with. You want to work with someone who's communicative, someone who's responsive, someone who will answer to all your queries, someone who will be warm, someone who will be hospitable to you. Yeah, so that is something you need to take into consideration too. And then one more thing, avoid Alibaba when you're dealing with things that are fragile. Like when you're buying something that is fragile and you're buying a single item, or something that you're not sure of, they are like how well they'll be taken care of, please just order a sample. Don't order a large quantity and then they'll get here broken. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be doing more videos on the same. In case I come across another technique you can use to identify a scammer, I will post it on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. And then if you have any queries, please leave them on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and welcome back. Please subscribe. Thank you.